Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fit and fine, happy and healthy, and taking your nice care. Welcome back to English class after so many days. Yes, there were weekend, there was holiday of festival. How was your festival? How you celebrated Rakhi? Hope you enjoyed it a lot with family. Yes, you can let me know in comment section below. There, when you watch this video, there will be comment section below. You can comment there. You can tell me how you celebrated your Rakhi festival. Okay, now it's time to back to the study as we were in the topic articles. In our last class, we were discussing about articles and we came to know what articles are. And we came to know that there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite articles. Come and have a look on the topic. What are articles? We know that articles are the word used before noun and pronoun and they modify noun. An article works as they function as an adjective. There are two types of article. Which are these two types? Definite article and indefinite article. Okay, as we know that there are three articles. Which are these three? The, a and n. Yes, a and n are same but only a difference is there how to use. Before vowel we use n and before consonant we use a. Yes. Then we have categorized these articles in two parts, definite article and indefinite article. The is the definite article and a and n is the indefinite article. Okay, where we use the when we are talking about something which is unique or which is specific, there we use the, and for general things we use n. For example, there are apples. Okay, there are apples in that picture you can see, and you are asking that I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. You want to eat apple but you want to eat one specific apple. You are saying that I want to eat the apple which is in the first position in the group of apple. You are pointing to the specific apple. That's why we used the here, definite article, because we are pointing a unique thing or a specific thing. And I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. In second sentence you are saying that you want to eat an apple, means any apple you can eat. It's not unique, it's general. That's why we used here n. Okay, we know where to use a or where to use definite article and where to use indefinite article, and when to use a or n. Okay, as I told, a and n are the same. They both are same but only the difference is where to use a, where to use n. We know that there are 26 letters in English. These are, we know well, a to z. Okay, afterwards they have divided into two parts, vowels and consonant. There are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, and remaining 21 are consonants. Okay, the words which start with vowel, okay, or, and, gives vowel sound. Okay, there are two things. The words start with vowel, and the second thing is that the words giving vowel sound, means the word is not vowel but giving vowel sound. There we use n. And remaining for consonant, okay, words are starting with consonant alphabet and giving sound of consonant. Okay, both things are important. Even sound is also very important. There we use a. Okay, now see the example here. I have given some word, an ant. In ant it starts with a and a is a vowel. An enemy, we know e is also vowel. An ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. There are 5 words which start with vowel. Okay, after that one word is also there with pink pen. It's written pink ink, and r. Okay, r, we know that it is starting with h. H is not vowel, h is consonant, but sound, which sound is there? Because h is silent. We know r, in R, spelling is H-O-U-R, start with H means consonant, but H is silent. We say R. Okay, because it is giving a vowel sound, that's why we have used here N. Okay, as it is starting with consonant, but sound is vowel sound, that's why we have used here N. The same for consonant. The remaining 21 alphabets are consonant. Which words start with consonant? We use a boy, a woman, a horse, a book. But if a word starting with consonant but giving sound of the here are the word which are starting with vowel. Okay, but giving sound of consonant, we are using a, not n. A aeroplane. Sorry, a European. A European. See here, European starting with the alphabet E, but E is silent here. We are reading European means U. We are starting to pronounce it with U. That's why we have used A, not N. A university. See, U, we know that U comes in vowel. Here only we have mentioned, see, vowel, consonant. We know which are vowel, which are consonant. Already we know. If we don't know, we can see here. But see, a university, U is the vowel, but sound is giving of consonant, U. Then we are using a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee. See, here it is O, it's vowel, but giving sound of consonant. V come start with W. That's why we have used here A. Now we know that articles, word used before noun and they modify noun, they are called article. There are three article, a and the. Okay, and types of article are, there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. The is the definite article and a and n is the indefinite article. This was all about article in short. Okay, we just introduced which are articles and how we use, how many articles are there and how we use them. Now we'll see in detail. See, we came to know very well that where we use a and n and the also, but there are certain rules or you may get confused that where we use the. For that, some examples are given in your textbook. Open it. Okay, we use the, where we use the, as we know that for specific things or unique things we use the. Okay, we'll see that which all for where all we use the. When we talk about a particular thing or person, my mother meet the principal today. Okay, we are talking about a specific person. Okay, a particular thing. My mother meet the principal today, means principal C is specific, that's why here it is used the. Second one, with a noun that represents a whole class. Okay, a noun which one is representing whole class, means whole class or whole group. There also we use the. Suppose the leopard can climb trees. Okay, we are talking about leopard. Leopard can climb trees. We are not talking about one leopard. We are talking about leopard, means we are talking about a group of leopard or we are talking about the category of leopard. That's why we have used the. With the name of mountain ranges, ocean, seas, rivers, gulf, bays, deserts. Okay, when we use the name of mountain ranges, ocean, seas, rivers, gulfs, bays, deserts, we use the. Example, the Himalaya, the Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea, the Brahmaputra, the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Thar Desert. We have used here the. Next, with the name of monuments, theaters, stadiums and auditoriums, the Victoria Memorial, the Prithvi Theatre, the Bourbon Stadium, the Shreveport Auditorium. Okay, you have to learn these points, that where we use the, then only you will be able to use it properly. With certain books and newspapers, the Quran, the Indian Express, okay, with things that are only one of their kind, okay, the things that are only one of their kind, which are those things? Like the sun is only one, we know. The moon, the earth, okay. With trains, before train names we use the Satabdi Express, the Amritsar Mail. With the superlative degree of the adjective, even the darkest cloud has a silver lining. Okay, for the superlative degree means we are talking about some specific things. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. These are the points. I will suggest you to learn them, to revise them, and try to understand that where all we can use the before a noun. Now see here, given one exercise in your textbook, page number 28, exercise number A. Okay, circle the incorrect article and write the correct ones. Means they have written the article that is not correct. We need to circle that and we need to write the correct article in the given place there. Okay, suppose the first one they have only done it for our understanding. Latika boarded a Rajdhani Express from Kolkata. Okay, here the article used, it is A, but it's incorrect. It's not correct because we just studied that when we are talking about trains, the name of the trains, we use the. Like Lalita boarded the Rajdhani Express from Kolkata. At the place of A, there should be the. Then we need to circle that incorrect article and we need to write correct article in the place in front of the sentence given. Second one is there. Rihan said that he would wait for Lisa at an bus stop. Can you guess which one is the article here? Yes, N is the article here. But do you think is this correct? No, it's not correct because here article used is N because the word is bus. Before bus it's B, it's consonant. How can we use N? That's why it's incorrect. Okay. Now we need to correct here which article we should be here. Yes, the the bus stop, because bus stop is a particular thing, particular place. Okay, then we will use the here. We'll circle N and we'll write the in front of the sentence and we'll write like Rihan said that he would wait for Lisa at the bus stop. Third one, India is an only country to have an ocean name after it. Okay, again the same thing we just studied that when we write the name of ocean, mountain, river, we use the. Here it is used N. Circle it and at the place of N there should be the. Then write the in front of that sentence. India is an only country to have the ocean named after it. Next, Sasi visited Panji an year ago. Okay, Sasi visited Panji and here N. It's need to circle because at the place of N there should be a. Sasi visited Panji a year ago. Pooja's house is a house drive from the airport. Okay, then Pooja's house is a hour's drive. Hours means we know, we just discuss this topic also, that it is written here R. Here for R H is silent, that's why we pronounce it like R. Then here should be the article N. Okay, now next, Gunjan has bought 3 books from a word book fair. Then what will be there? In the place of A, article used here A, there should be the because it's a specific place name. Word book fair. Gunjan has bought 3 books from the word book fair. Next one is there. A youngest child finished breakfast before her cousin. The youngest child a youngest child. Here a is wrong. At the place of a we'll use the, because youngest we are saying it's specific, it's uniqueness, it's not common. Youngest, the youngest child finished breakfast before her cousin. Eighth one, the chief guest said it was an honor to be a part of prize distribution. Okay, here again used a, and at the place of a there should be, what should be there? There should be n, because in honor a h is silent and we pronounce honor. That's why there should be n. At the place of a there should be n. Next, there is an university in the southern part of the town. Okay, again the same mistake we just discussed, because the word university, even it start with the vowel, but it's start with the sound of consonant. University, it's a consonant sound, that's why we can't use here an, we'll use here a. There is a university in the southern part of the town. Next, this photograph is blurred. Do you have the better photograph? Okay, here at the place of the we'll write a. This photograph is blurred. Do you have a better photograph? Okay, now I have explained what which article to be used here. Okay, and I have told you correct answer also. Now it's your part. Practice it, and at the place of the empty place is given, write the correct article. Okay, circle the incorrect article used in the sentence and write the correct article in front of that. Okay, first do it by yourself, practice it. And in English grammar workbook, whatever you write, whatever writing work is there, do it with pencil only, don't use pen in the book. Okay, again I am saying, do it with pencil only, don't use pen in the book. Okay, so first do it this exercise by yourself. Okay, don't take help. Try to do, understand, read the examples before the lesson. There are example and there are points given where to use the, where to use a or an. Read them out, then fill this. Okay, after that I am going to give you the answers in PDF. You can cross check there and you can correct from there. Okay. This is only for today. I will explain the remaining exercise number B, C, D tomorrow. Okay, and I will. I would like to say just to practice it. In grammar, we need more and more and more practice, and the English is the language. We should learn it. We should keep on practicing it. We learn it. Okay, we keep on learning it, because as much as we learn, we can use it. Okay, English we can use in our day to day's life, and English is most powerful language, you know that. English has a great, yes. So learn it, utilize your time at home, learn more grammar, learn more English, and try to speak English only. Okay, now we'll meet tomorrow in our English class. Bye, take care.